Okay, so as you see, there is dirt in the kitchen. I'll go down here. Sure you can hear the sloshing going on. Here is the water lines. You can see it there on the back. Right there. Unfortunately, it did make it up to the piano, about an inch. All this is wet, standing water. Bedrooms, sloshy, all the way back. Ooh, a lot of water there. Bedroom, wet, unfortunately, all the way through. This, let's see, is this all wet on the floor here? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There's a broken watch here. Hopefully that's okay. Don't know. So yeah, made water all the way through, unfortunately. All right, I'm gonna lock it up for now. Back tomorrow. There it is, boys and girls of Kentucky. And there's the rest of it. Back there. I don't know if you guys can see the dock. Parts of it are there. Let's see. All the posts are there. No decking though. And the boathouse is there. It's hot. It's wet. I'm sorry.